You're doing it for yourself, and it's something that will make you feel really good, and you should forget about what anybody else thinks, and if it's something you decide to do, you'll be very happy. So I decided this hair loss thing, I didn't know anything about it. I was playing pickleball one day during the pandemic, and someone videotaped, and they sent me a tape of a pretty spectacular point that I made, and I saw the back of my head, and I freaked out. I didn't even realize my hair was going, and it was going fast. And then I didn't really know you could do anything about it. So I started researching and I started looking it up. That's how I came to Dr. Ziering. Someone recommended, they said, my friend has a doctor he swears by. I waited a couple of weeks because I still, to be honest, didn't really believe this worked. And someone else recommended Dr. Ziering. So I came here, and when I showed up here, the guy that my friend had recommended was walking out of here, weirdly enough, so I thought it was fate. We did the procedure, and honestly, it couldn't have been easier, smoother. You know, honestly, I've never been a particularly insecure person, but this was a thing that, like, I walked around with like a hat on for 6-8 months. I would not take it off. And now I don't wear hats, I get out of the shower, and I just feel better. So it's been a good experience for me. I would say to anybody who's thinking like, oh, I feel insecure about it, that you're doing it for yourself, and it's something that will make you feel really good, and you should forget about what anybody else thinks, and if it's something you decide to do, you'll be very happy.